Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I will show you what to do if a key isn't working on your Apple Magic Keyboard Folio. So let's say you have your keyboard and you're typing something and you notice that a key is not working, for example. So there are a few ways to fix this. The first one that I want to show you is if you open up settings and then click on general and then just stay in this menu right here. You're now going to just disconnect your keyboard until the trackpad option disappears. That means that the keyboard has been disconnected, like that. So now that it's disconnected, you can connect it back again. And once the trackpad option appears, that means that the keyboard has been connected. And you can check if that key works, but if it doesn't, we're going to have to dig a little deeper and, for example, pull out a cleaning brush. So, for example, something like this would work, where you can just lightly brush off your keyboard. But if that also doesn't work, what you can do is just get out a little brush like this and just scrub around that key like that. Maybe some dirt will pop out, and then maybe just lightly shake it for the dirt to fall out. And that's about it. I hope these tips help, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.